by these strange glowing spheres that were spotted over Leasowe Bay in the Wirral UK. Check out the video. But first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. This video was shot on the 24th of April 2024 of these strange spheres in the sky that just seem to appear in the horizon. What could they be? Check out this awesome video. Here it is. Now, several theories on the Facebook page that I got this off. One of the theories were it could be drones or military flares, but I don't think they are. They're too big to be drones, for starters. And someone pointed out on social media that there was no smoke trail like there is normally on military flares. They're not planes either. John Lennon Airport is 16 miles away by car, and on the video they look like they are looking out to sea rather than the Mersey River, which is in the direction of Lennon Airport and Leasowe Bay, as you can see here on the map. So this is one of the reasons why I don't think this is a plane. This is one of the reasons why I don't think it is actually a plane at all. And plus they're just standing there, so I don't think they are a plane. I think the possibility could be a drone, but they're too big. To be honest, this is excellent footage. There's not really anything rational to say what it is. It's also been in the Daily Star newspaper as well. I've got the full video here.
Oh my god. Wow. I'm shaking. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? I don't know. What? Gone? It's coming back. It's a UFO. Yeah, there was. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow.
Whoever you are, whatever you are, you have been spotted.